how to change the export quality settings in VN Editor and get the best video quality. This tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, open your project in the VN Editor app. Then here you will see the New Project. Tap on it, then tap to save. After that, select a video, then tap to Next. Once you've finished editing, tap the Export button in the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your export settings. If your app is set to auto, switch to manual if that option is available. This lets you customize the export quality. Now, choose the resolution that matches your original video, such as 1080p or 4K. Increasing the resolution beyond your source footage won't improve quality, so it's best to match the original recording. Next, set the frame rate, FPS, to match your original video, such as 30 FPS or 60 FPS, for the smoothest results. If your version of VN includes a bitrate option, choose high or increase it for better video clarity, keeping in mind that larger bitrates create bigger file sizes. Once you've selected your preferred settings, tap Export and wait for the process to finish. Your video will now be saved using the quality settings you selected. And that's how you can change the export quality settings in VN Editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick VN Editor tutorials and video editing tips.